Hello everyone, and welcome if you're new. Happy New Year! This is my first video for 2025 and I'm excited you're here. In today's video, I'm taking you along with me to a couple of my favorite thrift stores. I'm hoping to find some vintage and winter home decor, as I've heard it's the best time to go right after the Christmas season. The stores were packed and it looked like everyone had the same great idea. So hopefully you stay to the end for my haul, as I found some great, budget-friendly and functional home decor finds. If you like this type of content, please give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing before you leave. Alright, so let's go thrifting. Thanks for joining me for my haul today. Everything I'm going to show you is thrifted, and the stores were really busy and I got as much footage as I could, but I'm just going to start off with this adorable, beautiful print. It's the little chickadees. We have many of those up here in Ontario, Canada. These little fellows, if you don't know, they do stick around for the winter. I just love this beautiful picture. It has a nice little frame, and the mat is gorgeous as well. So I'm hoping to use that in some winter decorating. And oh, and I only got that one for $4.99. And of course I had my coupon. So this beautiful painting here, I'm not sure if I shared this before. So I got this before, but it was just so pretty. I wanted to put it in the backdrop here for my haul. It's kind of a beautiful green winter painting. I love that horse and sleigh. It's just so pretty. So it is definitely a painting, but I just wanted to have this in the backdrop also. And I found that for $8.99. And I believe I got that last year, but I just wanted to include it. So I believe I had a clip of these beautiful boxes. They're so pretty. I love the color of them. And you can see it's a really almost like a Mediterranean look, but it looked very vintage inspired, these beautiful boxes. So I found the big one and the little one was inside. They're originally from Winners. So that's part of the HomeSense Winners Marshall family. So this one was originally $3.99. And the big one was originally $5.99. But I found both of these at Value Village, which I was surprised. And I guess I already cleaned these and I took the prices off. So I did find both of those for, don't quote me, I don't remember, I think it was $3.49, and I got a coupon. So I can't wait to put those styled on one of my bookshelves. I could put them together or separately, but I thought those were really pretty and the colors were fantastic. So one of the trends for 2025 is glass. And I've been looking for something like this for a while, these gorgeous candlesticks. What I like about them is they have a really nice wide base, and the etching here and everything, the way it's cut is really, really pretty. They are quite heavy, so nice and substantial that way. And I thought those are so pretty. Again, it's something that is year-round, and that's great and functional. And I just put one candle in there just to show you. But I got each of those, I think, for $6.99 each, which I thought, you know, because they're not just seasonal, they're every day, that price was pretty good. It's also on that glass theme. I found this beautiful little container. I love that the handle here is a little bigger, so it's really nice. I cleaned it all up, it's ready to go, and I'm probably going to use it in one of my bathrooms and put like Q-tips in it or cotton balls or something like that. But I thought that was really pretty, and again, versatile and functional, and I don't know, I just really loved it, so I picked that up. In the candle aisle, I found this gorgeous candle holder. It is, well, I got it for $3.99, so that's one of my favorite stores. That was at the Salvation Army. And it's a mix of materials, like all these beautiful different stones. I just loved it. I thought it was so pretty. I was thinking I can also use it for a riser if I needed to. And very versatile again. And you can just put a pillar in there. And it's just so pretty. I just loved it. It has nice warmth, and the texture is just gorgeous. I found this gorgeous horse, I guess, bust, and it's made out of clay. It's very heavy, but I love the detail. The mane is just gorgeous, and I found him for $2.99. He's really heavy. I thought the price was right. Again, this is something you can use all year long. And it falls into one of the trends this year also. And that's not why I'm getting it. I just do love it. I found this really nice wooden horse at Value Village. Somebody must have put it on the shelf and didn't want it because it was not in the right area. I do love the detail here, and I love how this, he's raised his leg here like this. He's good weight. I like that. It must be better quality because there's a felt pad at the bottom. But what's nice about this is this little statue is that it's different on this side. So you can style it either way. Really, really pretty. I don't remember what I paid for it. Definitely under $5. I don't remember exact amount, but I had my coupon and I thought he's gonna look fantastic on one of my bookshelves. While I was thrifting, I found this recipe card collection tin. It was $4.99, I think. It's not the old version, but definitely beautiful. It just reminded me of something that'd be really nice that could be in a kitchen. And to my surprise, when I opened this, a lot of the rest cards were in here. So if I remember correctly, I think it was something like a subscription and you got a card a month or a few cards a month, something like that, but it had all the little tabs and all the old recipes in here. And I thought that was fantastic. I really, really love that. And it just, you know, gave me real nostalgia and everything. So as you've seen in the clips of my thrifting video, I did bring this home. It's so pretty. Reminds me of real cottagecore design. This beautiful bird here. I love all this markings. Very, very pretty. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I have it all cleaned up. It's going to sit on a shelf somewhere, and maybe in my coffee bar I can keep my coffee pods in there. This is one of the most adorable little pieces I found. It's so spring, summer. I love it. It's such a cute little container. It is clay. It has a nice little lid. As you can see with the beautiful little strawberries on there. It's just a cute little lid. I love the little spoon. So I'm thinking maybe it was used for jam or something, but it's just so cute. The container here, just gorgeous. I didn't look it up yet, but if anybody knows about this brand, definitely let me know. And I'm probably going to use that styling, obviously, probably in the kitchen and maybe even on a tiered tray. I'm hoping to do some of those this year. But this is one of my favorite pieces. It's just so beautiful and very feminine. I do love that. I couldn't resist this beautiful clay pitcher. I washed it a few times and it still smells like caramel. I guess somebody used it for something caramel wise. But anyways, I love this. And it has this marking on the bottom. If anybody knows anything about this, let me know. I haven't done any research yet, but I thought it was just a beautiful piece. So while I was searching on the bag wall in Value Village, I found these. So they look like wood. You can see there's some kind of brown grasses there, but it's like little pomegranates. I don't know, they just gave such a beautiful vibe. I found a whole bag. I believe there were 9 in there, and I got them for $5.99. So I washed them all, and I'm gonna style with those. They just give me, like, you know, winter, fall, even early Christmas vibes, but they're just gorgeous. I don't know what material they're made out of, but it's pliable. So I don't know, it's like a vinyl. I don't think they're made out of leather, but some kind of pliable material. And maybe this would be something that probably we would have found here in Canada in Pier 1. I usually don't find many baskets while I'm thrifting, but this one is just gorgeous. I love the handle. I found it for $2.99, and I love how it looks like birchwood weaved through here. And I think I'm going to use this for styling for those brown pomegranates. So I'm going to style this basket. So these stems, you've seen me use numerous times. I actually just used it in my family room or entertainment room Christmas decorate. I used them in my that tin that I thrifted. So I just popped 2 of those in there so you can see how that looks. Very, very pretty. And I'm going to add those pomegranates. Okay, so I did this off camera because I needed 2 hands, but I already popped in most of them there. Just gonna add another one here, and I'm gonna add one right in the middle here, like that. It's a very woodsy, wintry arrangement. Let me know what you think. Should I add anything else? I really like the woodsy, like the wood color brown and this kind of frosty stems. I guess you could add some more pine cones or something, but I thought that was really pretty. All right, I couldn't resist, so I added some pine cones. These are the ones that I just pick up from my yard. It gave a different look and a different texture. Very pretty. So which one do you guys like better? This one or the first one without the pine cones? Let me know. I love both. Very wintry. I'm so glad you joined me today for my first thrift video and haul for 2025. If you enjoy this type of content, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I am planning on having more videos like this, along with some decorate with me's, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.